the time, nagkakaroon ng mga cracks, yung mga window frames natin, yung mga edges, if you notice, right? No? And then, sa mga door frames natin, no? Sa mga corners, we call it stress cracks. No? Kasi kung mapansin nyo, yung mga openings na to, wala siyang concrete frame to hold the hollow blocks together. Gusto ko lang sana din i-share sa inyo, ang pinakamali natin gagawin dito ay gumamit ka ng skim coat para i-repair kasi hindi tama. And then, pangalawa is, ang gawin natin is i-paint over siya. We do not recommend that kasi there's already a weak point eh. So, parang pinaster mo at nandudong pa rin yung problema. So, we would recommend that you repair it first, no? Before painting it over. What I would recommend here is to use Sapal 2-in-1. Okay? So, Sapal 2-in-1 is a polymer emulsion. It is flexible, at the same time, pinaka-importante is paintable. Kasi hindi po lahat ng sealant ay paintable. Hindi po pwede ang mga silicone sealant because it's not paintable, or solvent-based sealants, hindi rin po sila paintable. So mainis ka lang. Pag pintura mo, after a couple of days, makikita mo na nagde-delaminate na siya and nakakainis, ulitin mo siya ulit. So how do we repair this? Using Sapal 2-in-1. Okay, if your hairline crack is around 1 mm or less, we would recommend that you use straight cut. Use a grinder and then use a straight cut method. If the hairline crack is around 5 mm, we recommend that you use the V-cut method.